What's up, guys? It's Daryl, and this is how Daryl rolls. Today we're doing a healthy smoothie. It's one of my favorites. We call it the Jane Fonda. I got that name from a deli that was at my favorite organic grocery store, and they made this smoothie, which is when I became greatly addicted to it. But they, of course, not of course, but they are no longer. So I continue to make it, and it's delicious. And now I share it with you, my Hive and YouTube followers, and anybody else who watches this. So let's get down to hands level as we're going to be making smoothie here. So this is a rather very simple one. What you basically need is a nice ripe avocado. Boom, boom. A little bit squishy, but still slightly firm. Some kind of milk-like substance. My preferred is oat milk or regular milk, but not drinking as much dairy as I used to. Cinnamon. And a tub full of pure raw honey. You can only get this from a tub. Do not take from small little bare liquid honey. That shit's probably fake and bullshit. Anywho, basically it's pretty simple. You just put this avocado into your smoothie. I don't really know if I need to explain that further. I'm demonstrating it, but if you're watching this for audio only for some weird reason, I'm currently spooning out an avocado's green stuff and putting it in a smoothie thing to make, blender smoothie thing. The words. You like my Joe Biden impression? At least my excuse is that I'm stoned all the time. He probably should get stoned more and help with his Alzheimer's. Maybe not the remembering part, but at least his body would have less, more anti-inflammatory, I guess. Oh yeah. Give that a good mix. Let's get some better lighting here. Boom, boom. Usually a little bit more liquid than you would assume because the avocado does make it fairly thick. And it's easy to add less and add more later, but you'll get the feel for exactly how much you need. And the cinnamon, I'd say I added like about a tablespoon amount worth. Not like a heaping one, but definitely not a small amount. I'll probably even add more based on taste later. So I'm not an exact measurement kind of guy. Then you add your honey. Preferably use cute small butter knives like this. They're just cute and adorable. And for about one avocado, it's a surprising amount of honey, but say a good dollop like this. Get that on in there. I love pure honey. I don't even have sugar in the house anymore. It's just honey and maple syrup. Now, you're going to want a good blender for this because honey doesn't blend all that well, especially if it's cold. But quite frankly, you should just have a Vitamix or some of the nice blenders out there. Don't get those cheap ones. You only pay for things that are good once. Crappy cheap things you keep paying for. A little bit of life lessons in there. Let's get a little personal in there. Alright, you're going to see this is thick as all hell. Yeah, you can tell that's thick. Super thick. Yeah. So, might even need more liquid in there. Hard to tell if it's sweet enough or if it's just the fact that I'm licking off a butter knife full of honey. Oh, I'm talking to the screen sideways here. Whoops. I'm going to have to edit that later. That sucks. Yeah, let's put you back on the stand here, guys. Anywho, we're going to just add a little bit more honey onto this. And a little more liquid. Generally, there's that kind of almost bitterness, kind of that weird aftertaste you get from avocados. You want to put in just enough honey that it kind of crosses that threshold into the sweet zone. As soon as you taste that it's sweet, that's when it gets the perfect flavor. So we're just going to add just a tiny bit more honey here. Finger's looking good. Let's get a proper sample here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. That is just green heaven there. Smoothie goodness. This is probably not the most amazing pour shot you've ever seen, but it's not when I make these videos. I ain't the best videographer. I just like sharing with you guys. I care about health. Quite frankly, once you taste this, you're gonna be hooked on this smoothie. It's so darn good. So yeah, that's the Jane Fonda smoothie. Basically avocado, cinnamon, milk, and honey. But trust me, there's no other smoothie like it, and even people that don't like avocados usually like this. All right, that's how Daryl rolls. Peace.